You could freeze them in there then, right?
I'm just taking a video.
You're doing a video.
I'm just taking a video. It's getting difficult taking pictures.
I don't know how to do a video. I don't know if I can.
Well, this is her camera.
Yeah, I know. That's what I said. I don't know if my camera's. Oh, her camera.
Camera.
What? We're good over here, Aunt Deb.
No tree in my way.
Well, there's no tree in my way either.
Oh, I love that. That's so neat.
I didn't see no baby heinies yet.
Baby heinies.
Those little things that come off the fire, baby heinies.